Dr. Radhas Ayurveda, Addanki Sharad Garu. On behalf of Private Teachers Welfare Association, myself, Mrs. Parveen, teaching English subject in Little Citizens English Medium School of Ramagundam, that is in Pedappalli district of Telangana state, honor you our hearty gratitudes for the support which you have given in this pandemic situation by supplying groceries, ration, as well as few vegetables. We heartily thanks for the support. Talking about you, you had represented India throughout the world by Ayurvedic in stress and mindfulness. Not only your Ayurvedic had reduced the stress throughout the patients, but also it had supported for us by your support of giving few basic things which were fulfilling our needs in the time of this pandemic situation. We are mindful that you have supported us, all the minorities, by supplying the Eid kit at the occasion of Ramazan. Allah आपकी दिन दूनी और रात चौगनी तरक्की करे. Addanki Sharad Garu, we heartily thanks for the support. When all the government ruling parties has given up for the support which we required at this pandemic situation, being a middle class family members, we had suffered a lot and still suffering. Hope this support in further also will be given by you by making our livelihood to be easy. Though you are staying in other country, you are thinking of our country. Sure, the support which you had supported to us was like a drop in the ocean, but this drop quenched our thirst. Allah bless you for your more success. In the same manner, I again thanks for the things which you had supported to us and hope for the future support also which will be given by you. It is said that helping hands are vast better than praying lips, but it is proved by you. Being a teacher on this occasion, I promise that I will carve our students in such a way that they should work hard for the nation by taking the inspiration like you people. Sir, once again thanks to you. Please work hard for the nation, and also we pray for the God that He should take care of your health and wealth, and sure your support will be in further hoping for this. Thanking you once again. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.